Algotrio Chemicals has been providing high-quality enamel and chemical products to its global customers for 7 years with a young and dynamic team. With its continuously evolving structure and innovative approach, Algotrio adds value to its industry. Our success is built on the dedication and professionalism of our team, who strengthen our processes every day. By applying an innovative approach and a customer-centric mindset at every stage, they contribute to achieving our goals. Together, we are working towards a stronger future. We place great importance on R&D processes and continuously develop innovative solutions in the industry. By keeping up with technological advancements, we conduct research and development activities to enhance product quality and increase efficiency. Our expert team works meticulously at every stage to achieve the highest quality and strives to meet the industry's best standards. The enamel production process begins with the careful preparation of raw materials and continues through a meticulously structured sequence of steps. The materials are blended, refined, and shaped using appropriate equipment. During production, pigments processed at high temperatures in specialized furnaces enhance both color depth and quality. Frit is produced through precise temperature control, where each batch is transformed under intense heat. The resulting frit is then carefully ground in ball mills. These mills ensure a smooth texture and uniform distribution of each particle. The ground frit is prepared for the final stages of processing. Critical steps such as drying, cooling, and packaging are closely monitored with great care. Quality control processes are applied meticulously at every stage of production. From raw material procurement to final product delivery, each step undergoes detailed testing. Our quality control team monitors compliance with technical standards through physical, chemical, and functional tests. These processes are continuously followed to ensure high quality and reliability. We not only excel in product development, but also provide strong post-sales customer support. Our customer support team offers fast and effective solutions to any questions regarding product usage and maintenance, prioritizing customer satisfaction. After undergoing Algotrio Chemicals' meticulous production processes, products are carefully packaged and prepared for secure shipping. Each step is carried out with a focus on high efficiency and quality. Algotrio strengthens its global impact by delivering products to a wide range of markets worldwide. These processes contribute to our goal of being a reliable business partner by always prioritizing customer satisfaction and service quality. We continue to stay one step ahead with our innovative approach, high-quality production processes, and reliable solutions delivered to global markets. Future technologies in production today.